Konnichiwa minna. O genki desu ka? My Japanese is not that good, but I assure you that this video is going to be superb. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you're doing well. My previous video on the book Ikigai received a pretty good response. And why not? Japanese techniques are simple and effective. So with that thought in mind, I'm making another video about some very simple Japanese habits that will make your life better. But before that, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to be updated. The first habit we will talk about is ma, which means space. It emphasizes the importance of creating space in our life. This can be applied to both our physical and mental spaces. By decluttering our living spaces and removing unnecessary distractions, we can foster a sense of tranquility and clarity in our mind. Number 2, shokunin or craftsmanship. It refers to a mindset that focuses on the present moment and giving our full attention to the task at hand. Whether it's cooking a meal, painting a picture, or even tidying up, doing it with a sense of mindfulness and dedication can enhance our overall experience and bring us joy. Number 3, zazen or meditation. Meditation plays a significant role in Japanese culture, promoting relaxation, mental clarity, or self awareness. By taking just a few minutes each day to sit quietly, focus on our breath, and let go of our thoughts, we can reduce stress, improve concentration, and cultivate a sense of inner peace. Number 4, Sado or tea ceremony. The tea ceremony is a beautiful art form that teaches us to appreciate the present moment and find beauty in simplicity. It encourages us to slow down, savor each sip of tea, and connect with others on a deeper level. By preparing tea mindfully or engaging in meaningful conversations, we can create stronger bonds and cultivate a sense of gratitude. I recently saw a Japanese drama on Netflix and I learned something from it. Apparently, in Japan, it is really disrespectful to offer a second cup of tea to a guest. It will come off as they're being a bother and you want them to leave. Like, oh, I would love another cup of tea. Moving on, number 5 is Kaizen or continuous improvement. It revolves around making small incremental changes for the better. By setting small goals and consistently working towards them, we can make significant improvements over time. Whether it's learning a new skill, adopting a healthier lifestyle, or even enhancing our relationships. Embracing the Kaizen mindset empowers us to take control of our lives and strive for personal growth. Thank you so much for joining us today. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more insightful content. Stay happy and healthy. Sayonara, Allah Hafiz.